Hello guys, welcome back to Stinzy Gist. In the viral video, the DMW label boss Davido was spotted with international streamer Kai Cenat. In what seems to be a move to feel among, the international streamer was heard screaming "Who dey" in the video as he joined Davido in greeting the passerby. Another clip showed when Davido suddenly turned and cautioned Kai Cenat about the slang. Laughing in the video, Davido said, "Ha, no use that one no." I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of the clips and please share your thoughts in the comment section.
My friends, all from the, I never grew up in the, I grew up in a good part of life. But
oh my gosh.